Hello students, this is the first lecture of your chapter 3rd. Third chapter is related to graph or chart, and in this lecture I am going to tell you about what is the chart and how will you create the chart. First of all, chart or graph we will create in MS Excel. So this is the topic of the Excel. So what is the chart or graph? Chart or graph is used to represent a numerical data in the form of pictorial or in the form of picture. It means we can say if we want to represent our data in pictorial form or in the graphics form, then we can use the chart or graph. Suppose this is the data. I tell to you that tell me who has got the highest marks. So then in this data you have to search the highest marks. But if you will see the picture, then easily you can tell me that who has got the highest marks. And every human nature is there that the things that is represented through the picture is easily caught by the human. So here this numerical data we are going to represent in the form of picture or chart. Now in this data we have to make the comparison that who has got the highest marks or lowest marks, whatever your requirement is there. So now to create the chart for this numerical data, click the insert tab. You will get one group for the charts only. See this group, and in this one you have to click the chart option. So for making the comparison we can take the bar chart or column chart. So here 2D column chart and 3D. 2D means if we are creating the chart on the basis of only two axes, so this is the two axis, this is x axis. In math you use this one, and y axis. X axis is here and y axis is here. So if we are creating a chart only on the basis of x and y, then this is called the 2D chart. It means two-dimensional chart. But if we are creating a chart on the basis of three axes like this, y, x, and one more axis will be there, z. So this is the x axis, this is the y axis, and this is the z axis. Then this type of chart is called 3D chart. It means three-dimensional chart. X axis is also called category axis. And y axis is also called value axis, because generally we show the values on the y axis. Here first one is 2D chart. It will show you like this, or otherwise if you want to insert the 3D chart, then you can again click the insert tab and you can take the 3D column chart like this. It will show you here preview on the screen. Select any one and insert it. See, so on x axis this is showing the name of the students. So this is the category, and so values are showing on the y axis. So this is the value axis. So like this we can insert the chart.